Good morning, dear student. So, last time we discussed about the chapter chemical reaction and equation, and we have seen that how should we balance the chemical equation. So, now in the today's class, we are going to start the types of the chemical reaction. So, steps of the balancing chemical reaction we already discussed. How to balance the chemical equation we already balanced, and this question we already done. Now in the today's class we are just reading the type of combination type of reaction. So we have five type of reaction: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and a redox reaction. Okay, so one by one we will read about these reaction. So the first reaction is a combination reaction. As name indicating, combination means when something is combining. A reaction in which two or more substances combine together to form a new substance is called a combination reaction. So example like water. When we say water, water is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen gas. Same when we are talking about carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the combination of carbon and oxygen. Okay, nitrogen or dioxide, nitrogen and oxygen. So combination reactions are those reactions in which two and more than two simpler substances combine to each other and they are giving you the compound which have entirely new property. So this reaction is called as a combination reaction. Now if you will see that this is the another example of combination reaction. Water forms by the element hydrogen and oxygen. The third, you can see magnesium oxide and water react to each other, they forms magnesium hydroxide. Fourth is that aluminium react with oxygen gives you Al2O3. Next is hydrogen and chlorine react with each other, they form hydrochloric acid. Next, sodium and chlorine react to each other and they form sodium chloride. So they all are the combination reaction, and this is a very common reaction which you have seen so many times in your lab. You saw that when we are taking the magnesium ribbon and when we are burning them, we find a powdered substance, that is a magnesium oxide, and when we dissolve this magnesium oxide in water, you see that this magnesium oxide converts to the magnesium hydroxide, and when we bring near the litmus paper, you see that this red color of litmus paper converts to blue in color, so it shows the presence of basic substance magnesium hydroxide in a reaction. So this is a very important reaction. So many times question asked from this reaction. One, how this magnesium oxide react with water and forms magnesium hydroxide. Same time, why we are rubbing the magnesium ribbon before doing experiment. This is the second common question asked from this reaction. And sometimes write the two precautions when we are burning magnesium oxide. So these are the three common questions most of the time asked in the examination from this reaction. So this is a very important reaction. Okay, so again I'm telling it to you, what is a combination reaction? A combination reaction is a reaction when two and more than two simpler substances combining to each other and forming a new substance. So this is called a combination reaction. So hope this combination reaction is clear to you. Now in chemistry, if you will see, so many reactions are a combination reaction. Here you can see when we are talking about burning of a natural gases, that is a combination reaction. Same when we are doing respiration means breakdown of food in the cells, so that is also a combination reaction, because you know that after that we get the product. Okay, so this is the combination reaction. Now next, if we will say that the next reaction is a decomposition reaction. Now what is a decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction is just reverse of the combination reaction. As we know that combination reaction form after combining of element. So decomposition reaction form when a single substance split into the simpler substance. Okay, decomposition reaction is that reaction in which a simpler substance split up and forms a simple substance. For example, if I will say that water is H2O, and when this water breaks, it will give you hydrogen and oxygen. So that is a decomposition reaction. Okay, so decomposition reaction, for splitting the compound, we need to give some energy. So it might be through the heat, it might be through the sunlight, it might be through the electricity. So decomposition reactions are basically three types. One is a thermal decomposition, photolytic decomposition, and electrolytic decomposition. So in the next video we will see that what is the decomposition reaction and how this decomposition reactions work. In the today's class we will just focus on the combination reaction, and what you have to do, first of all, you have to write the definition of the combination reaction in your classwork copy. So you will write this: combination reaction, a reaction in which two or more substances combine together to form a new substance, is called a combination reaction. So first of all, you will write the heading combination reaction, and you will write the definition of combination reaction with example, like C plus O2 gives you CO2. CO2 is a carbon dioxide. Okay, the second example, you have to write that H2 plus O2 gives you H2O. The third reaction is that MgO plus H2O gives you MgOH whole twice, that is a magnesium hydroxide. Okay, this is a magnesium oxide and this is a magnesium hydroxide. This is MgOH whole twice. Okay, the third reaction is Al plus 3O2 gives you Al2O3, that is aluminium oxide. Next is hydrogen and chlorine gives you HCl. HCl is called as a hydrochloric acid. Fourth is Na plus Cl2 gives you NaCl. NaCl is called as sodium chloride, that is also known as a common salt. Okay, so do not get confused. MgO is magnesium oxide, MgOH whole twice is called magnesium hydroxide, that is also used in antacid. HCl is a hydrochloric acid and NaCl is a sodium chloride. So hope these words, hope this compound's name is clear to you. Now you have to write the definition in your classwork copy, combination reaction with at least 6 given reaction in the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so please write this, and you know that on Thursday your copy submission day is there. So after that, write click the photo and send to me.